Imagine being able to check on your home with a quick swipe on your phone, whether it's your pets, packages, or unexpected visitors. The new Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam takes home security to a whole new level with its 360-degree coverage, HD video, and real-time two-way talk. Let's dive into why this could be the ultimate indoor security upgrade for your space. This cam does it all. With its 360-degree pan and tilt control, you can literally see every corner of your room. No blind spots, no guessing. You can tilt up, down, and around right from the Ring app. And the HD video with color night vision means you'll always get a crystal clear view whether it's daytime or pitch black. Bonus, it's incredibly easy to set up, just plug it in and you're good to go. Users rave about its seamless integration with Alexa. Imagine saying, "Alexa, show me the living room," and getting instant footage on your Echo Show. Compared to pricier home security systems, the Ring Pan Tilt offers excellent value for money, though keep in mind that features like 24/7 recording require a subscription. Some customers have noted it's best for stationary setups, but with its smooth motion controls, who needs to move it manually? If you're looking for a versatile, stylish, and reliable security cam, this one checks all the boxes. Click the link in the description for full details. You'll love its unique features. Don't forget to check out testimonials and grab yours today with an exclusive guarantee and fast delivery. Like, subscribe, comment, and share to stay updated on the latest home tech reviews.